What we got going on here?
I'm making slime with my brother today. It's gonna be so fun. And
Butter slime.
And butter slime, and it's gonna turn a blue slime because we have blue clay here. Then yeah, this is my room. I know my room's a little bit messy.
So I seen. Do we have shaving cream? I seen with shaving, and you need a bigger bowl.
Well, this bowl is just for slime.
Huh?
Why?
What are you gonna mix it with?
In my hands.
You need like one of those.
Because then it just
spatulas.
sticks.
Can we pour it in
I
now?
don't think so.
Can we pour the glue in?
You know how many times I made slime down?
What is the ratio?
Whoa! Whoa!
Until it feels right.
Wow, brother. That's
Like
a
this
lot.
much?
Brother, we need more.
Like that much?
No.
Like that much?
No.
Like
Like
that
I
much?
said,
No.
that's you listen to a 3-year-old. You need a bigger bowl. It's better to have just a big bowl that.
Dad, you're ruining the YouTube video if I'm being quite honest. It's gonna be alright.
Yeah, because Daddy, if you talk in our videos, then you're not allowed in my room no more. Only my brother is.
Who got 600 subscribers?
Me. But I made a little hole.
Alright, I'll add a little bit of the activator.
Where's the
Where'd you
activator?
get the activator
That's
from?
the activator.
That's the borax.
The OG slime activator.
Whoa, brother.
You see it?
It's getting slimy. Can we add the clay now?
Hold on. You gotta make it slime first.
Dream, where is your safety glasses at?
I do not have to take glasses. It turned out real slime, brother. Can I feel it?
That's it. It's probably still too sticky.
Can I feel it though? I want to feel it.
Not yet.
I want to feel it though.
Alright, go ahead.
Okay. Oh, I want to feel. Brother, look at my hands.
Probably gonna need more activator.
I need to go wash my hands. Look at my hands.
Ah!
Oh. Gee, look at this.
Oh my
My hands are a mess. I need to clean them.
Uh-huh.
I need to clean them. What should I clean them?
Don't touch the bed.
Should
Come on, just watch it.
What should I clean with the hands? They so yummy.
So what's going on?
Yes.
Over there right now.
Honey, no, my place ain't on it, double late. And
I'm
they,
not sure.
I
Because
lay.
Mix it all up yet?
Shout it to your beloved, the Allah, the Licky. Baliki.
I'm not mixing nothing.
Shabala, the Allah, the Baliki.
Here's a drink.
Baliki.
Okay, rub your hands.
Shout it to your Baliki.
Rub them real good.
Aliki. Shout it to your beloved, the Baliki. Baliki. Shout it to your beloved, Allah, Baliki.
I might need more than that. For sure.
Shout out to your Lord, the Allah, the Baliki.
Start getting it. Need some more. Dang!
Baliki.
Overactivated.
Shout out to your Lord, the Allah. What the?
That's about to get it right there. That's about to get it right. Cottage cheese. Dream, what do you think so far?
Still crazy.
Huh?
Never mind.
Where you going?
Ah!
You gonna mix the.
This is messy. I'm not doing this no more.
I'll break a piece, or is that
You guys are getting some stuff right?
Masterpiece.
break a piece?
No, that's last.
What do you guys
I might have been too much
Masterpiece.
activated.
Just add a little bit more.
What the?
But now it's better.
No, right on. What the? You're getting my table all dirty.
Dream, it'll start sticking all together.
That's a cloud.
Okay, I guess I can touch it. But I want to have the clay. I want to have the clay, brother.
We're gonna.
Papa, can you watch me? Can you watch
it's
us make
overactivated.
I'm gonna watch the video.
it? Papa, watch me do this.
Overactivated slime.
Cottage cheese.
Yeah, but brother wants me to do
Now
this.
just add a little bit of
Right,
glue.
Mom said you can't find the sesame seed on it.
Yeah.
You gonna come right now?
I want to do it.
That's how much you're gonna add?
Break her a piece. And then mix it together. Say, break me a little piece to mix together.
Movie.
So you're doing all the work. Let's see what
see.
Dreamy does. Let's see what Dreamy does.
Overactivated.
I'm making
So
this.
then just add a little bit of glue. That's a big piece, big girl.
My hands are not getting stuck.
Well, mix it together. Let's see. Let's see. Mix the fun.
Daddy, no.
It's good.
It's marker.
It's okay. It's color.
Yeah, it's okay. I already got it there. I gotta put it in there now. I got it. This has to be blue slime. But I like this blue. I like this white. Super nice.
This is called workout slime. This is how you get those forearms. And those.
Can I feel that slime? Can I feel that slime?
Just add a little bit of glue.
Can I feel that? Can I feel that? Can I feel that, brother?
Where's your glitter stuff? Where's your glitter stuff? Where's it?
Shut the.
Spilled. It all spilled.
I'm sorry, Mommy. We can't add glitter now, Mommy. I want to feel it.
Your picture, you can only have stuff everywhere.
Look, and you got clear.
You gotta make sure you gotta clean your room tonight. You have to put them on.
For sure. I like this white color.
Touch it. Let me give it a touch. Oh yeah, I like it. Yeah, this is it.
Yeah, I want to play with
This
this
is
one.
it. Huh? Okay.
Ooh, this is getting so fun. Daddy, look, it's nothing to touch my hands.
It's not sticky. See what the activator does.
Ooh,
So
this
what
is
is borax? Tell everybody what borax is.
borax, guys.
Thick
I'm just
foam.
gonna.
Like
Can you
soap.
open this for me, Daddy?
Nah, I don't think. No, we're gonna do this one by itself because we're gonna make clear.
No, Daddy.
No, if you make it, if you mix it with that slime, it's not gonna be clear.
I'm gonna ask my mommy.
No, over here.
Mommy. Mommy.
This is why.
Mommy.
She's like, you don't say.
Can you open this for me?
I don't think this worked how we thought.
Look it.
I think this is just overactivated slime
Now you just need
with
a little
glue
bit.
on it.
Now you just need a little
What, the glue?
bit.
Ask brother or daddy to.
No,
Oh.
it's just
Here, come on, here. We're about to make it right here. Come on. Here, get over here. Yeah, we're doing a YouTube video with you again.
no activator.
Here, come on.
This is just overactivated slime with the glue on it.
Well, all right. Well, now we're gonna start. We need a ratio because we don't have no ratio. Let's just start with a little bit, and then like a cap full of, borax. That's borax and water. Yeah, we just overactive. But I like this slime. like beluga whales.
Yeah, see, if it was more watery, a little bit, the blue would make it into like butter slime. Hold on. It's pointless in this. It's gonna be so hard to mix in because it doesn't really move around.
Daddy, not doing it with me no more,
Change
Daddy.
shapes.
Not doing it with me no
Like
more.
the viscosity of it is really weird.
Alright, so let's trash that. Let's do another one.
You can still save it. This is like you can make a beluga whale
Papa.
sculpture.
I want to open that.
And it would look real.
I want to open this.
What is it? Okay, give it to your brother and daddy. Papa's
Come
gonna go
on.
eat dinner.
Come on. Come do it. Come on, we're gonna make it. You can do it. Go. I said you could do it. Go.
Can you help me,
Do
brother?
it however you want to do it. I don't care. I'm just the filmer.
I need help.
I don't know. Do it however you want to do it.
I can't open it. Yeah, I can't.
Okay.
I want to take a piece of this. Wow! This looks cool. I'm going to rip a piece so I can put this in. Guys, now, give me your masterpiece.
Your hand's about to be all sticky now. Watch. I don't know why you don't listen.
This is not going to make it so sticky, Daddy. Just add a little bit, Daddy. This will be a make. Just add a tiny bit, Daddy. It's going to look more smooth. There we go. All done. We just have to get this one. Okay, now we're gonna get this mixed. Now time for the big one. This slime is gonna be so sticky. I like this slime. Oh no. Make this slime.
Some of that pizza dough over there.
Mm-hmm.
What's up with that? What you got over there? Brother got cottage cheese for real.
That's not gonna turn out good. But anyways, this slime is gonna be good to play with because I got some of this. This will be ready in no time. I just have to get this mixed together. Mixed it together. This one's kind of big too. Gonna add a little bit more to this one. That's enough. Just a little bit more because I like this one. See how it turns out. Because this slime is gonna turn it. Wait, can I feel that slime? Thank you. Wait, better. I'm gonna feel it. Oh, better.
Hold on, I'm getting it off my hand.
But I want to play with it.
I know, this one's a good slime, huh?
Yeah.
It's not hard. Hold on. Can I get it off my hands first? Dream, you can't be this impatient. How is that even possible?
Son, just give it to her, Chris. She got glue on it.
Whoa. It stuck to my hands. I couldn't show this because this looks.
Some with this clear slime. With just the clear slime.
Yeah.
I mean, clear glue.
Could I get this from my hands?
You need a little bit of activator.
Yeah, to make it.
Yeah, dip your finger in the activator. Dip your hand in the activator.
Okay. Wait. Get the slime off of me.
Just dip your hand in it. Yeah, no, that's it, that's it. Now play with the slime. There you go.
Much better. Ooh, this turned out
Yep, there it
good.
goes, there it goes. We're getting there. There it goes. Keep rubbing it. Get the back of your hand. Get those pieces off of your. There you go. There you go.
It's starting to turn out like
You guys are
slime.
professionals. Let me see. I gotta do all my hand. You guys are professional slime makers.
Ooh, this is so weird.
You ready to start your slime business?
Yes. Anyway, mind your business.
Mind my business. Who are you talking to? You about to get spanked on YouTube.
Excuse you?
Nobody farted.
Dream be wildin'.
Ooh,
What you mean?
First kid ever get spanked on YouTube. That's it. Why you keep eight?
No, no more. You're finna overactivate it and make it like this one.
oh, I like
Now put
this.
some fluff in there.
No, I want to put this. I want to put the fluff. I like this white. I like this.
Okay, make one with this clear.
Oh, this is so
I wanna
pretty.
make one with the fluff.
So pretty. But I want to make one with the fluff too.
Alright, well then I'll make another slime like that one and cut it
Make
in.
me one.
Could you? What is that? That is dry, Daddy. Woo! Look at this one, but
About
it's
to
so.
make mine in here, guys.
Yeah, good save.
Good thing I touched it, brother. But that was really fast, brother. What are you doing? No way. No. What are you doing? 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 What are you doing?
You can use this one like to clean keyboards.
No. Okay, we're out a little bit more,
No,
Daddy.
that's it.
Add a little bit.
They sell those.
Uh-huh.
It's just slime that you clean like dusty stuff with.
No,
Just Daddy, this is gonna
that's
be
it.
Like cup
almost
holder.
gone.
Stuff that's just hard to reach so they get dusty.
Hard, man. Okay, here, mix it with this.
Oh, Daddy, this is not gonna be.
Actually, get one of your spoons from your kitchen.
Okay, Daddy. Tiptoe.
Get
Okay, yeah.
get either a bring one of those pots. Bring one of those silver pots. The silver pots.
I don't have silver pots.
Uh-huh.
Let's see a silver pot. Okay, I'm gonna check at this.
Not in there. Not in there.
Let me check in here, Daddy. Let me check if I have a spoon here.
Now bring any pot, whatever pot you got. Any pot. Look in the other drawer. It's not in there, big girl. That's where the food is at.
Hey, I have to look.
that out and bring the bucket.
Huh?
Just dump that out and bring the bucket.
Okay, fine
Bring the
one.
bucket. And get a spatula. That's hanging up on the stove.
This one's fun to play with the fork. Because it's like satisfying. It like.
A big bucket. Brother, put it in here.
There you go. The ultimate mixer.
Put it
Why?
in here.
That's the ultimate mixer.
Put it in here. Put it in here.
Why?
Because, put it in here.
The rest?
Yeah, put it in there.
The rest?
Yes, put it in there.
You want to make the rest?
Yes, put it in
You want to
there.
make the rest of this whole glue?
No, just pour some.
So that we can make it with that, yeah?
Yeah.
Wait, Dream, this is dirty. Look at it.
Okay, we have to clean it out then.
Here, I'm going to just make it in here.
No playing with you no more.
You're a hater. I'm not playing with you no more.
You're a hater.
What?
Daddy, I want to mix it. Daddy, I want to mix it.
Dream. Dream got shiny
Daddy,
objects.
this is
in
turning
Dream.
out slime, Daddy. This is turning out slime.
Go on that side.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, look at this. Turning out slime.
Turning out slime.
Slime.
Turning out the slime. From glue, you turning it out to slime.
Okay, here you go.
Should we put some butter in there? You need more glue? What does it need? Does it need
Butter.
more glue? Here, put the rest of the glue in there.
Okay. I farted. Okay. Now we definitely have to mix this.
Okay, with the fork. No, with the fork. No, with the fork, but no, it's too big. Hey!
I have to get the glue out.
No, you're not taking the glue out. Mix it with the fork over there. Look, the fork is like...
Okay. We use this really quick.
Hold it tight. Hold it tight so you don't spill it. You need me to mix it? No. Let me see it.
Don't throw this thing. What are you doing? No way!
I'm making it moist again.
But Mommy, I want to play!
Come here, hey, come here! Get your butt over here!
Brother, come!
Get over here! Drain?
Brother, come! Why don't you just stay with me?
Come here. Come here.
Brother,
Let me take that off you. Come here. No, stop. Let me do it. Stop. Come here. Get over here. Well, get over here. You about to get a spanking.
Dream, go so he can take the mic off.
Get over here. You about to get a spanking. I'm playing with no more glue. Go eat. guys just did? Oh, that's fine.
Yeah.
I think this glue is just like this glue is trash.
And then he said,
Oops. Might have just overactivated this one.
This nigga still talking about it in the morning. So guys, when it breaks like this, you need to make a glue mixer.
They have those. It's just a food mixer.
This is actually not bad. Here you go.
Yeah. Oh. Ugh. Look at this shirt. Really nice. Where's the turtle? Guys, you can stretch it out. Wow! Daddy stretching got so good. And where's the part, Daddy? Let's do it again.
Not you want kind of one. Change your mind?
Yeah. Daddy, look at this one. Daddy, feel it.
I'm gonna feel that one.
Ooh, it's so sweet.
Which one do you like the best?
I like this one.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like the white clear.
I like that
Daddy,
one.
let's pull it together.
Okay.
Oh, I made a hole.
Like a ghost, huh?
Yeah, it's
Let's
like.
see what this one is.
Ooh.
That's a good one.
Wow, Daddy.
Brother's a good glue maker, huh?
Yeah, brother, you get the champion.
You really know what
You
you're
get
doing.
the spoon, brother.
Look. Look. Woohoo!
Whoa, so big! Make a house for me.
No, because if it falls on your hair, it's gonna be detrimental. Actually, it'll probably just wash out, but still. You already took a shower.
Let's do it. Let's stretch it out. Let's stretch it out, Daddy.
Oh, I can't no more. It's not stretching. It's like chicken.
This is like chicken too.
Chicken?
Like chicken meat when it's cooked.
Dream. You're getting your hair in the glue.
Oh my God. Why, first of all, why you don't have your hair in the pot? Huh?
Dream, what are you doing?
Like this one.
You don't have to dip your hand in the activator every time, only with sticky slap.
Mix it. Just mix it with that one. I like this one. I like this one.
Ooh, Daddy. It's looking so bluey. Let's see.
Don't put it in your hair.
Here you go.
You should have.
Oh, brother, you're going to grab this?
I was just filling it to get a reference for this one. I want this one
But you can fill it.
a little bit more sticky.
But you can fill it. Brother, fill it. You can fill it, brother.
That's fine. I already filled it.
Brother, it's more better to stretch it out, brother.
It is.
Yeah, look at this, brother. Look it. Look at, brother.
Everything here.
Whoa. OMG! We made the best slime, brother.
We did?
Yes, brother.
Mm-hmm.
Woo, 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 goo, goo. Let's put it
This is how I want it. This one. A little sticky. So that we can put the clay in it. You need it a little sticky.
We make this one a little bit more stickier. It would be more bluer, brother. I promise you, brother. Well, I like the slime good. But Daddy, I don't like the slime like this.
Like what?
Like it like this. Daddy, make it all like this one, Daddy. I don't like it.
Like how?
Like I like it this way. But I don't like how Daddy makes it.
Dream. You made that one. This is...
It makes it with this warm hand. And I don't like it with this warm hand. He needs cold hands.
Well, Dream.
Now play with your slime. That's your slime.
I won't play with it anymore. That's it. I'm mixing it with this one.
No! OMG! Daddy, my slime's better than yours. I don't like the blue slime. This slime is much better. And I also can insert or wrinkle it on. And if it's
Oh my gosh. See, yeah, see?
What happened?
That white slime. How to mix it.
The clear one?
no, I put glitter.
It's like a baby diaper. You know? Wet. Oh man, we blew it.
I put glitter in it. Finally, you put glitter in it. Fantastic. Pink is my favorite. It's going to be even more expensive if we add some more good glitter.
Alright, now I made this one the perfect consistency for butter slime. Because it needs to be a little bit sticky, because the clay makes it a little bit less sticky. Sweet. Sweet.
Glittery slime coming up.
Yup. This is the texture we needed it.
This is the texture of my pink slime. It's definitely gonna turn pink. I just love this beautiful thing. It's really pretty.
Stretchy.
Stretchy.
Yes.
And can I feel it better?
Here, just touch it. Because it's a little bit sticky. Because I'm going to add the blue.
Oh, well, brother, can I play with it for a little bit?
Yeah, after I add the blue.
I want to add the blue. No, brother, I don't want to add the glue.
I said blue.
I don't want to add the blue.
Well, here, play with this one. It's the same thing.
I want to play with that one.
They came from the same thing. I just made that one a little bit more stickier.
No, I like this.
It's the same. You want me to make this one a little bit more stickier then?
Yeah.
Alright, here.
It's forever. And the girl, bro.
Dream, you're a crazy yapper.
Woo, woo, woo. Me pink slime is not so good because it's so tight for a big girl. I'm not a big girl. What do you think I am? But I say I'm a big girl. And you know what? I'm almost 4. And after 4, I'm gonna be back.
Dream, what's your address?
19. Daddy. 1644.
What street you live on?
Razio. Except forever at the girl bar. Well, I like this blue slime. Stretchy. Little parts.
Here you go. Request for Dreamy.
Thank you so much.
Stickier slime.
Whoa. Huh?
We done made like too many slimes.
That's your run. That's your run to eat.
Oh, I need to wash.
Your alarm went off, baby.
Okay, I need to get the small of my finger.
Use this one. Here, use this one.
You just washed your hands. You got more on there?
Told you. I made it sticky. I don't know why you wanted the sticky one.
Can you save the sticky one for me?
Yeah.
But no, I don't want the glitter.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Little crazy yapper.
See what I make. I just gotta start with it fresh. I have that. You wash your hands good, right? Hey, you wash your hands good? Okay, so you wash your hands. Come on, wash your hands. Are you about to eat? Are you about to eat? Huh? You not about to eat?
I'm hungry.
Okay, well don't eat without washing your hands. Good. Okay, so this is the hack. What's this hack? Yeah.
Look, I made the butter slime.
Oh, no.
Well, borax in
Where's the
first.
butter? We see food.
That's way too much.
I don't know. I don't know.
What, are you just gonna make a super dense one?
Oh, that's like, yeah.
Look at the butter slime, Dream.
Once you put the glue in.
Oh, but,
I'm keeping this one. Can I keep this one?
but this one's so much stickier.
You want to make that one butter slime too? Add the blue? Cause look, feel it. It feels different. Feels better.
Brother,
It's super cool, huh?
can I keep this one?
Or you want your own? I'll make you one. You can make it. You just gotta mix in some of the blue modeling one, the clay. Here.
Yeah. And this. Give this to this one. I feel this. It's a much way better, brother.
Dream. It's the same slime.
But it's much better because it's.
Here, you want to make one like this?
Oh, it's getting stuck to it.
You gotta use this one. You gotta mix these two. It makes it less sticky too.
Oh, it looks like.
Here, leave it. Leave it in a box.
Here, this is enough.
To mix it?
Yeah.
Mix this one. But you like that one?
No, but I like this one.
What, this one?
No, I like this one.
Yeah, this one was the one I had like this one, but I mixed it. Here, you're getting it. You gotta mix this one because this one's too sticky.
Brother, can I have this
Here.
one?
Yeah, mix it. Mix these two. You're supposed to. That's just the clay.
Oh, okay. You mix it together.
And then it makes it like this one. Butter slime.
Yeah, that's a good turnout.
Because you could spread it.
Now that looks
so
like
cool, brother. Brother?
Ube butter or something. Like a blue
Ube,
bay.
brother.
I'm just making rocks.
That one's hard.
Wait, I was. My shirt.
Ooh.
My shirt. It's
Hey.
Hey, your food.
Go eat.
Your food. You guys are having a
Here, you want me to mix it for you?
slime-a-thon?
Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay, just make sure you guys, John White, you guys clean up her room when you're done. She has school tomorrow. I like to have her pencil.
Be careful. You're finna get your hair in this line,
I
Jay.
like to. Oh, when she has
Put her hand in the
class.
ponytail.
When she has class, close this, okay? Anybody listening?
You
Okay.
put her hand in the ponytail.
Dream.
Well, you said like you gonna be here.
But I like this one better.
Why?
Ooh, that was buttery. Like,
Yeah, because we might need to add more clay to that one.
Your brother used to make slime all the time.
Wow!
Yeah.
Oh, but I know we have to mix it again.
well, that's what you gotta do when you mix it. You gotta mix it. They're doing that.
What is that stuff? How to get blue?
The modeling clay.
Oh, because you could just mix whatever with them, huh?
Well, not whatever.
Upload the
Pretty much. Pretty close.
Mommy, can you wash
Pretty close to whatever.
Well, I'm gonna go take some medicine first.
Here, Dream.
Can you wash this, Mommy?
Here, now it's like mine.
Then you're gonna watch us?
See, look, and it's matte, but if you let it chill out, it turns shiny. See?
Let's see.
Well,
Yeah!
time to start packaging it up and slanging this.
It does. It does look shiny this right everyone I am.
Dream, tell brother come up with a name for the slime.
But I gotta put their name for a slime.
You know, like Aaron's putty.
They're like everybody.
All we gotta do is figure out a good mixture.
No,
You got bad kids
What's up?
and they like slime? Bro, this is a weapon.
Wow, brother.
Hey, I'm gonna start getting a whooping.
Excuse you. Oh, it's getting attached. I set the flag like
Ready.
Look at this, Mommy. Fill it.
All the bad slime.
Fill it, Mommy. Fill it. Fill it, Mommy.
Oh, so satisfying.
Yeah, it's so satisfying. But Mommy, if you let it, if you keep,
It's this one.
if you let it, what if you let it still, it's shiny. See, look it.
Oh yeah, that's so cool. What?
Mommy, I can't
It
believe
was
you
all
let me
sticky
mix.
on his hand, right? It was super sticky, but
Whoa, brother! How did you do that?
You just go like this, look. Ready? You gotta let it stick to your hand and then pull it up slowly, but it has to be still sticky.
Oh, I want to try.
Yeah, see? Like that. Now put your hand down and grab it and squeeze it tight.
Oh my gosh.
Put your hand down and squeeze it.
All the way down. All the way down.
Squeeze
Open
it.
your hand. Open your hand.
Open your hand and squeeze that. Get it off.
No. Oh my gosh, it's stuck to me. Nope, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
This is a beautiful blue slime. Wow.
You made it the perfect consistency. Well,
I'm gonna bend down.
What? Oh, this is your word you learned this week, huh? Do you remember the word? This was your page from Tuesday.
We went over today. Dream, what's that word? Dream, look at that. Dream, look at that word mommy has. Me.
I.
Should I go get bags?
What's this word?
A. N. D. And.
Good job. And.
Hey, what's your address?
1644.
What street you live on?
Prezio.
Good job.
What's this say?
I'm
You
not
got a
hungry,
snake.
Mommy. I'm not hungry, so that's why I don't want to eat.
Okay, well you need to eat.
But I'm not hungry.
Okay, read.
I see a girl.
No.
Dog.
And.
The dog.
No, where's the D?
Thank you.
This line?
Bat.
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 Look at this one.
Look at this book. Look. And then I
I
blink.
want to play. You
No way.
want to know.
It's the same
No.
picture.
I would love that. Clap, clap, clap.
That's crazy.
It's time.
What? Like I was just there and now I'm there.
I need to get in scoop. I need to get in.
In your little car seat. Oh my gosh. What's going on over here
Dream, what are
besides a
you
mess?
doing? No.
Should I bring bags?
Leave it alone. Pour it all in there. Leave it alone. Pour it all in there. All of it. Thank you. Leave it. Leave it.
Heading on.
Leave it. That's activator. You keep wiping your eye. Stop.
Hmm?
Pour it somewhere. Don't put it on the table.
Okay.
Up here. Yeah, do the laundry room on the shelf or something.
Go wash your hands.
Don't put it in the pantry.
Whoa! Almost just slipped.
Like, why?
Why what?
You made all that, Dream?
I don't know.
Yeah.
What is that?
Do it.
Why what? That's a
Oh, nice.
apple cider.
Yeah, and why you got the whole thing of weed showing? Like,
That is nasty.
it's
What?
not weed?
Well, I'll let you know if it's weed.
Hey, what was that?
Let me see.
That's crazy.
Let me see.
Must have been Dre's.
No, that's what I was talking about.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it is Nino's. Cause I seen a similar picture this same night where Nino was holding it. I think Auntie Tisha posted
I
it.
will play that.
See, am I holding it or you not holding it?
You were holding it. Y'all were finna go Bali up. That green eye.
Oh yeah, this is the one you're talking about.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who's going downstairs? Eventually. Jojo. You talk this away when you go down to the
That nigga looked so young.
Thank you.
You don't want to put it away?
No, it's still.
Oh, let me see that one. Here, put that one
See, I don't even think Tish was 21. What's she over there doing with the Bud Light?
in here when you're done. You're done? Yeah, this one's super activated. You don't want to do what I'm doing, Dream? I'm going to take off a manageable piece.
Joe,
and put the rest.
Yeah.
Dream, you got it stuck to your shirt.
This can be tossed in the trash can too. Look.
Trash can?
Yeah. This whole plate right here.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
You go pee. Wait, don't look. Mommy,
Dreamy.
so I want to know how.
What's O's daughter look like these days? So crazy when I see him with like other little kids. I'm like, dang, that means that kid's grown now too. I wonder what they look like.
That means that kid's grown now too. Yeah.
So crazy.
Nearly grown. I feel like I still haven't reached my prime yet though. Nowhere near.
Look at these. I remember these like it was yesterday. It's just, I feel like you were a baby much longer than she was.
Well, that's because time was different. Time gets faster as you get older.
Time is like,
Because think about it.
time's been warped since
Like 2017.
2020 when COVID hit. Like,
No, but
we're
think
in a
about-
warped time zone.
But think about this. Like this. If you're 100 years old, a year is 1/100th of your life. If you're 10 years
This
old, a
one is
year is
not
1/10
good,
of your life.
Mom.
So it's just going to automatically feel longer. That's why like a week to Dream probably feels like what a month feels like to us. Because she don't like have that much lifetime. Like there's probably so many entire days you forgot.
Well, duh. I remember this day like it was yesterday, though. Oh, I wanted to take this picture over.
You gotta be on this side though.
Front. Dang. Why did I look like that? Like, why aren't my ankles showing? Now that makes me look like a little chubby little.
Oompa loompa.
Yeah, like, what is going on? That's weird. Like, why is I shaped like that?
You're done.